So welcome to today's channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make money on Telegram. Now if you have been making money in any other platform, today I'm going to show you how you can make it on Telegram. Now there are so many other ways you can make money, but this is not like the main way you can make money, but you can actually put some little amount of money in your pocket. So if you do it right, you're just going to get some money, get into your pocket and your account. So let's just get started. So you head on to your Telegram right now. Telegram. Now you search for these bots. Search for these bots. SOL claim. SOL claim X. SOL claim. Click on this one. So is this one you click on. So as you can see, pretty much these bots, you can simply just come here and just claim SOL every day. You can simply just come here and claim SOL every single day. So if I just tap on claim SOL now, so we'll claim 0.01 SOL. We claim 0.01 SOL. So if I click on daily bonus, so I've already claimed my daily bonus, so I will have to come the next day to claim it again. So this app is this bot is just simply where you can collect free SOL every day. You can collect free SOL every day, just claim SOL, and you simply not do anything for you. It's not like that you have to do any hard work or whatever. You just collect a small percent of SOL every day, and you can be able to get reasonable amount of SOL within some days or weeks if you just come to claim here every day. So depends on how you do it, you can be able to get a reasonable amount. So you can be able to cash out from it and all that. So yeah, that's how it actually is. You can claim free SOL every day. So if you guys enjoy my video, you can make sure to subscribe to it, or of course you can hit the like button, and I will see you all on the next video. Thanks, and make sure to watch my next video about affiliate marketing.